Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to search for a job without using job number. Initially, this is how the dashboard of Fresa app looks like. We have to log in first. I have already logged in. After your successful login, click on the search button present here. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Here we have to choose the type. I am choosing here party wise job. This method is useful for searching a job when you are having only the party name, but you didn't have an idea about the job number. In the value, we have to type the party name. Then click on search button. Now you can see the results here. From this page, we will be able to navigate to job preview. This is the summary of the job associated with that party name. Hope this video will be very helpful for you to search for a job without using job number. Thanks for watching.